So in a transformative moment in Ghana's journey towards agricultural excellence, Ghana has proudly commissioned a state-of-the-art 3.5 million fertilizer plant at Shai Hills. This is a monumental step towards boosting agricultural productivity and also securing food security for millions of people in Ghana. This recently commissioned factory is a beacon of hope, innovation and also economic empowerment for farmers, the families in the region and also the various farming communities across the nation. So join us today as we explore how this commissioning of the $3.5 million state-of-the-art fertilizer plant is going to be beneficial to Ghanaians. In this video, we'll be unpacking the plant's incredible features, the impact on the locals and also its regional impact, from advanced technology to job creation. So let's get started. Before we delve deeper, as always, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to this channel as I bring you insightful information always. The commissioning of this Shai Hill fertilizer plant is a pivotal moment in Ghana because of the agricultural self-sufficiency the government is embarking on. With a $3.5 million investment, the facility is more than just the infrastructure. The nation is committed to modernizing its agricultural sector, and this is one of the resources that's heading that. It was developed through the dynamic partnership between Invest Agricultural Limited and the Nitron Group, also expertly managed by the AAA Infrastructural Ghana Limited. The plant is designed to empower farmers, reduce the country's dependence on imports and also position Ghana as a leader in regional agribusiness. The initiative also aligns seamlessly with the government's broader vision of industrial transformation. And by harnessing this cutting-edge technology and also the innovative practices, the plant is set to produce an impressive 385,000 million tons of the fertilizer each year. What even makes this even more remarkable is the ability to create 20 specialized fertilizer formulations, each of them approved by Cocoa Board, that is Ghana's Cocoa Regulatory Authority. These formulations are tailored to meet the unique needs of the Ghanaian soil, also ensuring that the crops from cocoa to maize all thrive like never before. This is very inspiring for a fertilizer plant that was just launched. At the heart of the project also lies the profound commitment to Ghana's farmers, because they are the backbone of the nation's economy. The Shai Hills plant is poised to revolutionize farming and also will be providing high-quality locally produced fertilizers at equally affordable prices. This means that the farmers no longer have to rely on costly and often the most unreliable imported fertilizers ever brought, because instead they will have access to products designed specifically for their crops, boosting the yields and also improving the livelihoods in the country. The Minister for Trade, Agribusiness and Industry, Madam Elizabeth Ofosu-Adjare, shared the vision during the commissioning ceremony that she sees this plant to represent a bold leap towards sustainable agribusiness growth. And also by producing fertilizers locally, Ghana is not only cutting the cost but also creating a ripple effect of economic benefits. The farmers will also see higher crop yields and will be translating to money, food on the table, stronger rural economies and a more resilient nation. The initiative is also expected to create hundreds of jobs, from the factory workers to the supply chain professionals, empowering the community and driving inclusive growth. During the commissioning event, the minister led a delegation on a guided tour of the facility. She showcased the state-of-the-art technology and also the Shai plant as being a marvel of modern engineering. It was equipped with advanced blending systems that ensure every batch of fertilizer meets the highest standards of quality. According to her, the facility's quality control labs were equally impressive. Also, the rigorous testing protocols guarantee that the farmers receive only the best products. This plant is precision-based, and the 20 specialized formulations are all crafted to address the diverse needs of Ghana's agricultural landscape. Whether it's about enhancing cocoa production, boosting staple crops like rice and yam, or supporting horticulture, the plant's output is tailored to maximize productivity. Also, the level of customization is a testament to the forward-thinking approach of Invest Agriculture and its partners, who have prioritized innovation to meet the demands of the rapidly evolving sector. This is an agricultural revolution by the government. The launch of this Shai Hills fertilizer plant is actually impressive. Also, the Shai Hill fertilizer plant is more than just a standalone project. It's part and parcel and a cornerstone of Ghana's broader industrialization strategy. Patrick Ohinijan, the Chief Executive Officer of AAA Infrastructure, shared a compelling insight during the ceremony. He highlighted that every unit of fertilizer produced and every pound blended has a direct impact on the families across Ghana because of employment and also the food we eat. The facility is also a lifeline for the agricultural sector as well. This forms the bedrock of the nation's economy. The plant also aligns with the government's ambitious vision of a 24-hour economy, because the fertilizer is actually a factory that will be running across the board. This will be aiding the agricultural industry operate around the clock to maximize productivity and also create job opportunities. By producing fertilizers locally, Ghana is reducing its trade deficit, saving foreign exchange and also strengthening its position in the regional market. The facility's output will not only meet the domestic demand, it will also serve as a foundation for exporting high-quality fertilizers to neighboring countries, cementing Ghana's role as an agricultural powerhouse in West Africa. The Shai Hills plant is just the beginning. Ines Agriculture has announced bold plans to expand its footprint. With this new 5 million litre liquid fertilizer plant, it is aiming to serve the entire ECOWAS region once it's fully operational and on its feet. This ambitious project is also going to further solidify the country's status as a regional hub for fertilizer production. This will foster regional trade and collaboration with neighboring countries, because once it kicks in, they'll be needing these fertilizers for themselves, and also by catering to the diverse needs of West Africa's farmers, Ghana will be positioning itself as a leader in agribusiness innovation. This is to tell you that it's a foolproof plan, which the government has been orchestrating for a while now. The expansion is also a clear signal of Ghana's long ascendancy over imports, which is a brilliant strategy, purportedly going to strengthen Ghana's economy, empowering its farmers, and also boosting the agricultural sector at large. And by producing fertilizers locally, the nation will be reducing the cost, increasing the yields, and creating jobs. The just inaugurated Shai Hill plant is a testament to what's possible when the vision, innovation, and collaboration all come together. As Ghana continues to invest in agricultural future, the ripple effects of this project, which was just launched, will be felt, nourishing the land and also the people who depend on it. This fertilizer plant, which was just inaugurated in Shai Hills in the Greater Accra region of Ghana, it is going to revolutionize agricultural production and also boost farmer productivity within the country's enclave. It is clear that the Shai Hills fertilizer plant is more than just a factory. It will be a catalyst for transformation, with its cutting-edge technology committed to farmers and also aligning with Ghana's industrial vision. This is a facility that will be sowing the seeds for a brighter future and also a more prosperous one. From empowering the local farmers to positioning Ghana as a regional leader, the impact of the $3.5 million investment will be felt far and wide. As always, share your thoughts on what you think about the launch of this $3.5 million fertilizer plant, which was just inaugurated in Shai Hills. If you are excited about this milestone, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this video to spread the word. Also, turn on the post notification so as not to miss any vital information we'll bring to you on this channel. Let's celebrate this new chapter together. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this new development on Ghana's industrial scale. Be sure to also check this video out.